Hello there everyone, George here, hope you're all well. And just said I'd make a little video there to show you this Adams. I've had this for quite a while. A friend of mine gave me this, John Joe, Odge Nodge, vintage television and radio. His channel there, he came across it in a skip, believe it or not. And he brought me this and a few other radios at the time because he knows I'm into these old things. So I haven't any before footage or pictures because I didn't take any and I just kind of tore into it. So the fascia was very badly scratched and stuff. It was, you know, similar to this, and lots of marks and stuff on it. So we got a decal from Brad, a Print Extreme, or CB faceplate decals as his group is on Facebook, and it makes, you know, it's just brightening things up there. Yeah, it's really tidies it up, and we resprayed the bezel and lacquered it as well. It's just five wheel silver, nothing elaborate. And it's not too shiny, but it's just enough to give it that bit of protection and that it won't scratch. So rubbed it right down to the bare plastic and gave it several coats of primer, rubbed it again, 2 coats of paint, rubbed it again, another coat of paint, and 3 coats of lacquer. So the decal is perfect fit. And then we had a problem where this insert had the plastic they deteriorate. Some of them are worse than others, but it ends up what happens is once you go at it trying to bring it back, it just gets worse. So it ended up looking like a shattered windscreen here in the channel window and the signal meter window. So this was made by Carlo in Italy, and he does a lot of stuff, and it's brand new. Now, how we done this was I sent him a PDF scan of the one I had, and he worked from that. And when it came back, right, okay, it didn't fit, but you know, we were working from a scan, so I wasn't expecting miracles. So what I done was I sent him back a list of the alterations to make to it, where just to move these over a couple of mil to the right, move these ones here a mil to the left. Now I opened all these up a little and went a little too far, but what can you do? So with the measurements he has now, once he alters the file he has, he should be able to knock these out for anybody that's looking for them. I'll stick a link to his Facebook somewhere, and if you look on my Facebook page you'll see he's on there, on Irish Custom Radios. You'll find him in there, and just type in Carlo into the members section and you'll find him. Does serious work, this guy. He's able to make his own backlit displays and everything. So it's another Adams for the personal collection. We did all the usual. We secret sauce the cases, all new screws, cleaned up the microphone and the antenna jack and all that in the back. And it's just a lovely radio. So that'll go into the personal collection here. And we're quite pleased to have such a nice tidy example. It's bone stock. This would normally be the CBPA, but this is one of the ones where it was factory modified. They done this to the last of them to try and get rid of them, so they added a bank of channels. But the way it's done, 16, that's 27,555, and it only goes up as far as 625 or 35 or something like that, and then it starts repeating itself over again. So you know what? Look at, as I always say, you only need access to the 555 and a couple of channels either side of it. Really, once you have the mid band and high band, that's all you need. You know, lads go on about super low, super high. Sure, like there's nobody down there. Very, very little. You know. No, well, not English speaking. It's English speaking stations are few and far between down there. So yeah, it's nice, but other than that, it's bone stock. The only thing I don't know is the meter was bad in it, and I threw this meter in. It's actually out of a Mustang, UK 40 Mustang, and I just like it. I didn't want to put Irish Custom Radios one in there. I wanted to have kind of a stock look, so we put that in there, and it's grand. We're quite pleased with it now. So yeah, it came out very well. Cleaned up all the knobs, all the usual stuff. Took it fully apart, took all these off, cleaned all them, and it came out super clean. So I changed the LED there. They normally have the like the red ones in them, that what they would have had you know, back then, but they're very dull, so I changed it for a more modern one. It's a bit brighter, and yeah, happy days. Very pleased with it now, and came out nice. So that's me Adams, and I hope you like that, and we'll get you again in the next one. Chat soon. 73s.